Hey guys, so this video lesson is going to go over area of polygons day 3. Please have these notes open as we go through this video so that you can be following along with me. Alright, so this first one is very similar to what we started doing yesterday and also similar to the first question on your pretest. So problem like this, we're going to want to split this up. Again, multiple ways to split it. But here you can see I have 3 different shapes, so an A, a B, whoa, that was sloppy, but that's a B, and C. So 3 different shapes there. Shape A is it's actually a square, but still base times height. So I'm going to put my A for shape A, area equals base times height. Well, my base is 3, my height is 3 for shape A, so area equals 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is just 9. Shape B, still a rectangle, so base times height. Now this one's a little tricky. I do see my height is 3, but in order to figure out my base, so this long one right here, could be a little trickier. I know that at the top here, right here, this length is 3 centimeters, right? So I know from here to here is about 3, and then from here to here is 2 centimeters. So that means the whole way across this bottom is actually going to be 5 centimeters, right? And another way we know it is if I look and see this is 2 centimeters from here to here, and I know that this is 3 centimeters there. That means this is 3 centimeters down there, that red line. 2 plus 3, again, gives me my 5. So my base, back to shape B's formula, my base is 5, my height is 3, 5 times 3 is 15, and then last but not least, shape C down there is a rectangle, so base times height. Our base for this is 10, our height is 3. So area equals 10 times 3. 10 times 3 is 30. Last but not least, our final step is to add all of our areas. So 30 plus 15 plus 9 gives me a total area of 54. Don't forget on your final answer, put your units, so centimeters squared. Alright, this next one is new for us, and you might have noticed on your pretest you had a question just like this. So we're actually being asked just to find the area of the shaded region. So that's that outside square. So in this, I have 2 shapes. I have an A and a B. Wow, I cannot draw B's, I'm sorry. And a B. So we actually need to find the area of shape A first, my bigger box, and then find my area of shape B, and then subtract the 2. So shape A is base times height. Well, my base in shape A is 20, and my height is 17. So area equals 20 times 17. Again, you have a calculator, you can use it, but you should get area equals 340. For shape B, we're still doing area equals base times height. In shape B, my base is 5, my height is 3. So area equals 5 times 3. 5 times 3, hopefully you don't need a calculator for that, is 15. Once I get all of that, right, we're just finding the area of the shaded region. So we're taking our big shape, 340, and subtracting out our non-shaded region, which is shape B, with an area of 15. When I subtract those two, I get 325. Same thing. Don't forget your units on your final answer, which is meters squared. So just the area of my shaded region is 325 meters squared. same idea as the last slide. Find the area of the shaded region, so just the shaded part. Now, what is different about this one, shape A is still a rectangle on that outside. Now, shape B is a triangle, so our formula for shape B is going to change just a little bit. So when we do this, shape A, I'm going to put A, my area will be base times height. My base for shape A is 60, my height is 60 as well, so it's actually a square, but area equals 60 times 60. Again, you have a calculator, please use it. Maybe you don't need one. This will give you 3,600. Now shape B, again, this is a triangle, so my formula for a triangle is base times height divided by 2, so be careful on this one. Now my base for this triangle is 22 and my height is 20. So when I plug this in my formula, area equals base 22 times height 20 divided by 2. First things first, do that multiplication on top. 22 times 20 should get you 440. Bring down your divided by 2. 440 divided by 2 is 220. Now, we're still only looking for the area of the shaded region. So we need to take our 3,600, which is that big square, and subtract the area of our triangle, which is unshaded. So minus 220, we should get 3,380 millimeters squared. Okay, there are about 4 practice slides. They all ask you to find the area of the shaded region. Go ahead and work on those and make sure you check the key when you finish to make sure you are on the right track.